everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angel back with another video, and today we're doing a makeup tutorial. Not just any makeup tutorial, we're doing a Halloween makeup tutorial. And I haven't been on and posting makeup in a while, but I'm getting back into it. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in some weeks. I haven't even done makeup on myself in some weeks. I just wanted to get this video out the way for you guys because I haven't posted in a while. And I know now is October and I want to do more Halloween makeup, so we're gonna try today. I know I used to do it. I haven't done Halloween makeup in a while though, but I'm about to see how it come out today. And I have this picture of how I want to do it, a clown look. I don't know if I'm gonna do all that. I don't think I want to put it on my neck and do all that right now. I think I just want to do the face. So I'm not gonna do it this way, but this is where I'm getting the picture from. So I had got these two face paints from Party City. I got a blue and a red one. I had this last year and I had never opened them. So I'm going to try to use them today. And we're going to see what we're going to do. Instead of doing the pink like she's done, I'm going to do the blue and the red. I had paint, so I'm just going to use the paint. Plus I have a lot of blue and red eyeshadow to set it. So I'm just going to use blue and red. I'm going to open these now. So we're going to see how this works. So I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let y'all get right into it. Now I'm putting my primer on. This is just some regular NYX primer. And I say a lot of people break out with face paint. So you need to put a primer on your face. And because I know my friend, she's very sensitive to Halloween makeup. But I'm gonna put on her face. I have some good primer for her to use so her face won't break out, but everybody's face is different. So I'm starting off with my brows first because I always do that even in my regular makeup tutorial. We're gonna go ahead and do the brows. So I'm trying to see how I want to do this. I don't think I want to do one side blue, one side red. I mean, I am gonna do it that way, but I'm gonna do like for the brows and then it's gonna switch over. Then for the lips, I'm gonna do like blue only. So I'm like red lipstick. Just, it's a weird clown, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Cause I haven't done this in a while. And I look toe up to the flow up. So this pair here is harder than the other one. So it's not sticking. So I'm just gonna do blue on both brows. So I'll be right back for this one. Okay, so this is how my brows came out. And what I wanna do now is I wanna set it. So I'm gonna go into one of my palettes and I'm gonna find a blue that's close to this blue. I have my Smashbox Cover Shot Bold Eye Palette and I'm gonna use this blue. I've gone into this MAC palette and I'm gonna be using this color and this color. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Dewy Smooth, and this is in the color 360 Mocha. I'm going to go into my concealer. I'm going to do my normal face routine still, but it's just going to be a little different. I'm into my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Amande. Now we're going into contour. I'm going to be using my ColourPop Sculpting Stick in the color Platonic. I'm going to go ahead and set this with my Laura Mercier Medium Dark Powder. We're going into contour now. Going into my Black Radiance contour palette. Use this contour shade. So now I'm going into this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. What I'm going to do is go into highlight. I'm going into my ColourPop K-Pop from ColourPop and Glow Up. Crayons palette. I have the Festival by Juvia's Place. I have the Take Me Back to Brazil and the Smashbox palette I used from earlier. And we're gonna see what colors we're going into. First, red, which is this red right here. I'm gonna be taking this color in the Juvia's Place Festival palette. This red in the Box of Crayons palette, which is this one. I'm gonna go on the outer side. I'm gonna try that color right there. I'm going over there to the next blue. This blue right under that blue. I'm gonna dark the outer V part of it up. A little shimmer in there. Onto this shade right here to put a little bit more shimmer in the eye. A little bit more blue on the back side of this brush. I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Now, what I'm gonna do, take this blue with this eyebrow pencil. So I'm going into the lip, and I'm gonna use this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the color Jet Set. I'm gonna take this lipstick and I'm gonna put it on my hand. I'm gonna use that line to line my lips. The end of everything. So I'm gonna do a dot here, 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 and here, here. Now on the lip part, so we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on as well. So this is the end result. I put the dots on and I added some false lashes. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful clown look. It's a really subtle, it's not really hard to do. It just takes up time and you need better paint than what I used. Guys, please hit the thumbs up. Please like, subscribe to my channel. It looks like up close. It's not, look at that. It fades away. It's like fake lipstick. Bye guys.